Hey guys, it's Alex. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a two-tone little Halloween inspired makeup look. This is what the makeup looks like. Also I have face tattoos on my face. So if you guys want to see me accomplish this makeup look, keep on watching. Also before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and now let's hop right into the video. So let's get started with the makeup. So first I'm going to take my primer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless primer. You guys let me use this in my full face of e.l.f. makeup. I'll link that video down below. I absolutely love the makeup. Also, all the makeup is really cheap. So if you guys want to go see that video, I'll link that down below. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And then I'm just going to blend it all out with my fingers. I absolutely love this primer because my pores are not like big, but they are noticeable, and this does like minimize them and make them a lot tinier and fill them in. This is also like I think like $10 from the drugstore. Also leave a comment down below, tell me like other primers to use, because I want to use like different primers for you guys and do like different videos. And so leave a comment down below, tell me like your favorite primer, because I want to try new ones. So now that the primer is all set into my skin, now we're going to go in with the foundation. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photos Focus foundation. This is in Nude Ivory. This is what this looks like. This is also from the drugstore. I've been having this for years. This is like my second bottle, but has a little like spatula, little like applicator. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And this foundation kind of gives you like a medium coverage. You probably could build it up, but it's not really like full coverage. It's like a medium coverage. Just apply that all over my face and then also down my neck. Also applying that to my eyelids. So now to blend out all my foundation, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. This one is purple and white. It's kind of big. It's bigger than my other ones, so it's a lot easier to like blend everything. I'm just going to use it to blend out my foundation and also down my neck. And also I'm using the beauty blender wet because I just soaked it right before I started to film. Use it dry, but I like when it's wet just because it gets a lot bigger. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to use my Holy Grail concealer, which is my e.l.f. concealer. And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes and also to like my pimples and stuff, because my skin is not liking me right now. I have a lot. My skin is breaking out. Like literally in high school my skin was like really bad, but after high school my skin has really cleared. Like it's still bad, but it's not like extremely bad. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend out the concealer. And this is also really good for under the eyes because it's pointy, so I can get like right in the inner corner. Also, I really want to do another one brand makeup tutorial because you guys really like the e.l.f. one. And I really want to do another one, so leave a comment down below what brand you want to do. I really want to do Maybelline. I do have some Maybelline stuff, so leave a comment down below like what Maybelline products you guys want me to use for that video. Just make sure all this concealer is all blended out. Another e.l.f. product that I'm going to be using from my one brand is the HT powder. I'm just going to use this to set everything. My beauty blender, and dip it in and then set under my eyes. Not really baking, just kind of setting everything. Also, I don't really like the smell of this powder. It like smells really bad. But I'm just using it to set everything. It's not really that bad. Like it sets everything. It doesn't really give me like a white cast, which I've heard a lot of powders do, and I really don't like that. But it actually isn't really that bad. Like it sets my makeup, doesn't make it like move around and stuff. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes, which is the whole reason of this video. So the two palettes I'm going to be using is my Beauty Treats Neon Bright palette, and also I'm going to be using my James Charles palette, which I've used my James Charles palette so many times. This is literally like my favorite eyeshadow palette. It's kind of dirty, so I'm going to be using these two palettes. This one I'm going to be using the orange, just because this one is a little bit more of a like pumpkin orange, which you can see right there. And then the one in the James Charles palette is a little bit more of a yellowy kind of orange, which I'm hoping you can see. This one is from the neon one, and this is from the James Charles one. You can just tell the one from the neon one is a little bit more of a like, pumpkin orange, and then the one from the James palette is like a yellow orange. So I'm going to be using the neon palette for the orange. So like I said, today's look is going to be a two-tone little like orange and a black. So I'm going to be doing black on this side and orange on this side. And then the same thing on the other side, but switch. Just kind of like my Christmas look. If you guys remember, I did a Christmas look last year that I did like the green and red, just like that, just orange and black. First I'm going to do the orange eye. I'm going to take a little brush and take the orange on the brush. And then I'm just going to apply it to my eyelid. I'm just kind of first just packing on the orange. And I'm going to take a big blending brush and just blend all that out. See, that's more of a, like an orangey pumpkin shirt, just like my shirt. I'm literally wearing a pumpkin shirt right now, but that's literally like a orangey pumpkin Halloween color. I'll take more on my blending brush. Just apply more and blend. And plus, this orange is very pigmented. I love this palette. I've only used it like a couple of times, but I want to do like more videos with it because it really is pigmented. Like, so that palette is from Five and Below, and it's like $5, and it's pretty good. I've only used it like twice so far since I got it, and it's actually really good. So now for the black side, I'm going to go to the James Charles palette. This one actually has the black, but it's not as pigmented as the black in this one. I'm just going to take the same brush that I used for the orange and just pack on the black on this side. See, this black is a lot more like pigmented because the one in the neon one is more of a black with shimmer, and we just want it to be like a matte black. So again, I'm just going to pack on everything and take the blending brush and just blend out everything. But this is what the eyeshadow looks like so far. Just blending out that black. Also, I'm going to take the black out to my outer crease, kind of like in a V shape. Now I'm going to go back to the orange and make like the same shape, kind of like a V kind of. So I'm just going to take a smaller brush on the orange and just apply it to the black side. Just going to grab the black and do it to the orange side. The eyeshadow looks like so far. So now we're going to move on to brows. I'm going to actually use my James Charles palette. I'm going to take a little angle brush and fill in my eyebrows. I usually use this brown and this black, and I just kind of like dip into both of them so I can make my eyebrow color. And I'm not going to cut a little slit. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrow. So I usually just dip back and forth into that brown and that black, and then just fill in my eyebrows. Sometimes I use a eyebrow pencil or a pomade, but usually my go-to is usually just use the James Charles palette. Just because my hair is black, and it's just a lot better to mix like a black and a brown to make a good eyebrow shade for like my hair, because my hair is black but my eyebrows are kind of like a dark brown. So just kind of mix those two colors together, and I usually come out with this shade that usually matches pretty good. I'm moving back to the eyes. I'm just going to take my eyeliner. This is the Rimmel London Skittle Eyes little eyeliner, I'm just going to do a wing eyeliner. I might try to do like a big eyeliner. So I'm gonna try. I'm not really good with eyeliner. I've learned over the past like 2 years of doing eyeliner and I've gotten pretty good with it. So that's one side. I'm gonna do this side. My whole thing is trying to get them equal. Okay, that's what the eyeliner looks like. So far, they actually look pretty equal. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Boss's little black mascara. And I'm just going to apply that to my lashes. Also, this mascara is literally about to run out. I'm just going to apply that to my bottom. So now moving back to the face to finish up my face makeup, I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild contour little palette and taking on a little contour brush and just contouring. I'm not going to bronze today, I'm just going to slightly contour my cheeks. So on my forehead, my nose, because I love contouring on my nose. For highlight, I'm going to go back to my James Charlie palette and I'm going to take this little like gold kind of shimmer and use that as my highlight. Apply it to my nose, my temples. And pretty much the last step for this makeup look is a black lipstick. I know my last Halloween video I used black lipstick, but I feel like with this look, it really does need black lipstick. So I'm just going to apply that. This is also from the Spirit Halloween store, but this is from last year. Apply that to my lips. So that's pretty much the finished makeup, but I have face and body tattoos that I got from, I think, H&M. They were originally $6, but I literally got them for 50 cents. They come with like 21 pairs of tattoos. This is what the tattoos look like. So I'm probably going to use these for the look because I've been having these for the past like 2 weeks and I really wanted to use them for this look. So I'm probably going to cut out the spider web right here and maybe put it on my cheek. And then I'm probably going to cut out the three little spider hair and probably put it like on my temple over here. So I got my little handy dandy scissors and I'm just going to cut out the little spider web. And then I'm going to cut out the little spiders. But also, my little nephew, you guys saw in my couple Halloween videos, he's terrified of spiders because of me. And it's so cute because now I have little spiders that I bought and he's terrified of them. But this is what the little face tattoo looks like. So I'm just going to grab a little rag and I'm going to wet it and then put it on my face, which I'm really hoping does not ruin my makeup, like smearing and stuff, but I don't really think it is, so I'm just going to wet this and I'll be right back. I got my little rag all wet and also I took the plastic off of the tattoo. So first I'm probably going to do the spider one. Also, I haven't done a face tattoo or like a body tattoo in years, but pretty much you put them on to your skin and then take a rag, hold it for like 30 seconds and then take it off. So I'm probably going to take this and put it right here on my cheek, and then I'm going to take the rag and wet it and hold it for like 30 seconds. But I've been wanting to use these face tattoos. I also have another one over there. It's the same one that I'm probably going to put all over my nephew, but for these I wanted to use them for a video. Alright, I think this one is done. Oh my god, that is so cute! Okay, now I'm going to do the spider one, which I'm probably going to put right here. And then just take the rag and wet it, and then hold it for a couple seconds. Also, these were originally like $6 and they were literally at H&R for 50 cents. And I got 2 of them, which makes $1. So I could have gotten like 6 of them for the same price as one. Like, what? And this was back in like September when I got these. It was in Halloween season when they were selling them. Alright, I think this one is done. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh my god. Alright, and that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like this like two-tone Halloween makeup tutorial. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.